Hello everyone and welcome back to Needle Nest. Remember the project I made last week? If you haven't watched that video yet, be sure to check it out. Do you enjoy doing something special for festivals? Personally, I love it. That's why I try to create something handmade for every occasion. This Christmas, I have decided to make Christmas ornaments. If you are also looking to do something creative, grab your craft supplies and join me. It's so satisfying. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.